Welcome. If you're someone who enjoys using Snapchat but finds those story reminder notifications popping up on your lock screen a bit too distracting, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple and updated steps to hide those story reminders from showing on your lock screen, so you can keep your notifications private and your lock screen clean. First, start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your phone settings. This is where you control all the apps and how they behave, including Snapchat. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it may be called Applications, depending on your phone model. Tap on this to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down until you find Snapchat and tap on it. This will open up Snapchat's app settings where you can manage permissions, storage, and most importantly for us, notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different ways Snapchat can alert you: sounds, badges, lock screen options, and more. Look for an option called Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat categorizes all its notifications to give you more control. Under the Friends section, you will see Story Reminders. Tap on this to open its specific notification settings. Here is the key part. Tap on Lock Screen and then choose Don't Show Notifications. This setting will stop those Snapchat story reminders from appearing on your lock screen when your phone is locked. And that's it. You've now successfully hidden story reminder notifications from your lock screen on Snapchat. By adjusting this simple setting, you get to control where and how you see these notifications, making your phone experience more private and less cluttered. Feel free to explore other notification categories in the same way if you want to further customize what pops up on your device. Thanks for watching.